Today, we're going to go over the fixed percentage on the market analysis tool. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to go ahead and tell you exactly what's happening with Automated Trader and how we plan to be the #1 trading tool when it comes to automation. All right. So #1, I want you guys to just forget everything you know about the fixed percentage. Okay. So as you guys know, market analysis has released, and I have yet to make full guides on this. And that's because we have been changing a whole mess of things for the UI, okay? And obviously, we just want to focus on the ability to make this one of one when we're connecting this to Automated Trader webhooks, okay? Because obviously, we're using this in an advanced system, and we want to go ahead and make sure that you guys are going to get the best out of our tools by automating it in a one-to-one structure. Now, what I want you to do right now is just forget everything you know about the fixed percentage and the way you think it works, okay? Today, we're going to give you some simple math, and you're going to know exactly what's happening, okay? So what I want you to think about is this. It's not going on your active open lot size. It's going on your entry lot size, okay? And for some of you, it maybe just clicked without any math. Okay, it's going based upon your entry lot size, okay? So to put this into perfect, easy numbers so that way everybody could understand, let's say you enter a trade with 100 lots, okay? You're entering the trade with 100 lots. And as you guys see here, TP1, 50% fixed, TP2, 20%, okay? What is gonna happen is this. When we hit TP1, we are gonna close 50 lots. Why? Because that is 50% of the entry lot size. Entry lot size is what we're looking at here, guys, okay? And when we get to TP2, okay, let's say we entered the trade with 100 lots, okay? 50 lots are already closed. TP2 hits, 20 lots gets closed, okay? Now, what happens at TP3 and TP4? The remainder lot sizes, 15 lots at TP3, 15 lots at TP4. Now we have 0 lots. The trade is closed, okay? So it's working off of your entry lot size. A lot of you guys were putting, okay, I want to close off 100% at TP4. And then what ends up happening is it messes up the values here, and then everything else gets, obsolete, and it's not functional, okay? And keep in mind that we're still adding error messages to this, so that way if things are user errors, you're going to be, X'd out and you won't see any alerts whatsoever, okay? So now you're asking yourself, okay, so what happens? What do you want to do? How do you close everything at TP2 or TP1, okay? 100% you have to do this, okay? This is very, very simple. Let's say you wanted to go ahead and close everything at TP1. What we're going to do is we're going to put 100% at TP1. Now, the issue is right here, okay? You have to make sure that all these values are 0. Now, you're probably asking yourself, okay, but I still see on the charts, it's plotting TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, right? So what you're going to have to do to close everything right here and to start a new trade, you're going to get your final TP, whatever TP it is you want, okay? Let's say you wanted, obviously, TP2, which we'll go over next. We're going to go ahead and go to TP2, and we're going to paste this. We're going to paste this, and we're going to paste this here. Now, all of your TP values are pointing towards your TP1 right here. As you guys can see here, we're closing all of the trades at TP1, which is also your TP2, TP3, TP4. But remember, we're closing 100% here. Now, very, very simple math. Let's say you wanted to go ahead and close everything at a TP2, but let's say you wanted to go ahead and have a 1R risk to reward ratio, okay? So now, okay, and what I mean by that is your stop loss is here, and you see your take profit here. It's a 1-to-1. And if you look at this, it's a 0.05. That means it's half of your stop loss, okay? Half of your stop loss, your TP1. So what do you have to do to close all of your trades at TP2? What you're going to do is you're going to close 50% at TP1. You're going to close 50% at TP2. And you see this value? This is the final take profit. You're going to make this, and you're going to make this the same values, and so on and so forth. Okay, guys? Very, very simple stuff here. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and get a sneak peek of Automated Trader and what we got cooking, I suggest you guys tap into my Ask Chris P channel, because that's where we're going to go over pretty much everything, you know, all the new stuff. It's simply amazing. I don't want to go over, I don't want this to go over your head, guys, because look, right? At the end of the day, what we're doing is not easy, because if it was easy, it would have already been done the way we're doing it. We're trying to do things on like a whole different stratosphere here, okay? You guys are going to have the ability to set your pricing, and every single time an alert fires on Automated Trader, somebody else who wants to copy trade for your trades, okay, right? So let's say we're in the dashboard, come down here, you guys can see, okay, there's going to be leaderboards, there's going to be a bunch of things, okay? I'm not going to go too crazy and showing all this off just yet, because I want to show you guys this on my channel. But let's say you guys see this, boom, 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 you're going to click copy here. All right, you're gonna be able to set up all your parameters, and you can subscribe to somebody, you know, who set up their webhooks. Now, on the opposite side, you guys already paid for all of this stuff, Trusted Signals, whatever other algo company you want, right? Obviously, you're gonna set up webhooks here. Now, these webhooks, you're gonna be able to go ahead and sell. Okay, so this thing, when I tell you guys and when I show you guys this on the, you know, on my channel, you guys are really going to be amazed. But we are not only trying to make you guys money via this, we're really trying to go ahead and change your lives and create you guys some generational wealth and passive income, so that way you guys can load up accounts. Nobody is doing what we're doing. When I tell you we're going to be the #1 platform, we will. So stay tuned. Remember, guys, I have not been able to put out guides because we're still updating things, but we are almost to the promised land, okay? So much in store. Hit that like button. If you watch this video to the end, tell me what you guys think about the little enhancements of Automated Trader. Are you guys excited? And if you want to go ahead and get a membership, I'm not going to show you the prices, but I will tell you this. Message me on Discord right now for a final discount, because when we start releasing all these features on Automated Trader, lifetime is going to be $3,700 or more, okay? $3,700 or more. But you guys can get that for a fraction of the cost, because we're still in the beta phases, okay? And I do want to go ahead and tell you guys one thing. If you're a lifetime member of Trusted Signals and Automated Trader, you guys can already start testing this. We already have the test servers up and running, okay? Hit my line, hit my Discord. We out. Peace.